Dear students, today once again I would like to discuss various aspects of capsule dosage forms. This video has been prepared to recall and apply the basic understanding of capsule dosage form at industrial level. Now we'll start with introduction to capsule. Capsules are most versatile of all dosage form. Capsules are solid dosage form in which one or more medicinal and inert ingredients are enclosed in a small shell or container, usually made of gelatin. Capsules are solid dosage form in which drug substances are enclosed within hard or soft soluble shells. The shells are generally formed from gelatin. Basically, capsules are of two types, hard gelatin capsule and soft gelatin capsules. Here we will discuss some advantages of capsule over other dosage forms. Capsules are tasteless, odorless and can easily be administered. Combination of powder we can use. They are attractive in appearance. The drug having unpleasant odor and taste are enclosed in the tasteless shell. They can be filled quickly and conveniently. Physician can change the dose and combination of drug according to patient requirement. They are economical, they are easy to handle and carry. Now we'll discuss some disadvantages. First, hygroscopic drugs cannot suitable for filling into capsules because they absorb water present in capsule shell and make shell very brittle and ultimately lead to crumble into pieces. The concentrated solution which require previous dilution are unsuitable for capsules because if administered as such lead to irritation into stomach. Now we will discuss some capsule size. For human use, empty capsule ranging in size from 000 to the largest to 5 the smallest. Generally, hard gelatin capsules are used to encapsulate between 65 mg to 1 gram. Here the table shows what is the size, what is the volume which can be filled in that particular size. Now we'll talk about gelatin. Gelatin is a heterogeneous product derived by hydrolytic extraction of animals' collagen. The sources of gelatin including animal bones, hide portions and frozen pork skin. There are basically two types of gelatin, type A and type B. Type A is derived from acid treated precursor that exhibit an isoelectric point at pH 9. It is manufactured mainly from pork skin. Type B is derived from alkali treated precursor that exhibit an isoelectric point at pH 4.7. It is manufactured mainly from animal bones. Now we'll see in chart how gelatin is prepared from dry bone, calf skin and pork skin, when it is treated with lime and when it is treated with acid. And after treatment, it is cooled, dried and collected as a gelatin used for capsules. Now we'll discuss about what are the steps involved in making empty gelatin capsule shells. There are some steps which we will discuss. First, dipping, spinning, drying, stripping, trimming, joining and polishing. First is dipping. Pairs of stainless steel pins are dipped into dipping solution to simultaneously form the caps and bodies. The dipping solution is maintained at a temperature of about 50 degrees C in a heated jacketed dipping pan. Second, spinning. The pins are rotated to distribute the gelatin over the pins uniformly and to avoid the formation of a bead at the capsule end. Next is drying. The gelatin is dried by a blast of cool air to form a hard shell. The pins are moved through a series of air drying pins to remove water. Next is stripping. A series of bronze jaws strips a cap and body portion of the capsule from the pins. Next, trimming and joining. The stripped cap and body portions are trimmed to a required length by stationary knives. After trimming to the right length, the cap and body portions are joined and ejected from the machine. Last step is polishing. Acetylcoat pen is used to dust and polish. Next is cloth dusting. Capsules are rubbed with cloths. And lastly, Capsule are feed under soft rotating brush for brushing. Now basically 3 types of machines are used for filling of hard gelatin capsules. First is hand operated machine. Example, Phantom capsule filling machine. Second, semi-automatic capsule machine. And third, automatic filling machine. Examples are Oscar capsule filling machine and Macofer capsule filling machine. Here are various examples which we can see. The machines which are basically used for the filling of hard gelatin capsules. Eli Lilly and Company, Formatic, Hoflinger and Carl, Jansi, Park Davis. These machines differ in their design and outputs. Here we can see the structure or models of basic capsule machines which we are using in industry and in our labs. These are figure of semi-automatic machine and this is the figure of automatic machine. So thank you friends. Thank you very much for your patient hearing. Thank you so much.